Hello everyone, myself Atul Negi and I welcome you all to IMS Academy YouTube platform. In this video, we'll be talking about most important fundamental concept from engineering mechanics subject chapter friction. I've seen many students are confused whether the sliding will occur first or tipping will occur first. In this video, we'll be discussing this topic in detailed way so that after watching this particular video, you will not have any doubts. Right. So let's get started here in this particular video. Let's suppose there is a body on which applied force F is there. So possibility is that sliding will occur, or there is another possibility that tipping will occur. Tipping can also be called as toppling. And here the question is sliding or tipping. That is the question here. How to decide? On which parameters the sliding and tipping is depending. So to understand this thing, we will see first of all the free body diagram. Okay. So let us first observe the free body diagram. That is the free body diagram I have drawn here, and you will understand that friction force direction. This is very important here. Friction force direction always opposite to the tendency of motion of the body. This block has a tendency to move towards right. Okay. To oppose that motion, friction force will apply in the left direction. Right. So remember this point. Friction force direction always opposite to the relative motion of a body. Fine. Now, if you closely observe this particular free body diagram, then you will find that applied force and the friction force is creating a couple. And that couple is the reason because of which it is going to topple. Right. Now, as the body have always the tendency to remain in a stable condition, so what will happen? The normal will shift towards the right condition. Okay, towards the right edge it is going to shift. And why it is doing so? So if you observe here, self weight and a normal will create one more couple here. And that couple is countering the couple formed by applied force and the friction force. Right. Now, if both the couples are cancelling out each other, definitely body will not topple. It will be toppling only when moment or the couple value applied by the applied force and the friction force has the more magnitude compared to the magnitude of the couple formed by self weight and the normal reaction. Right, this is clear. Now one more important detail here, normal can shift up to this edge only, because till this point only the direct physical contact is there. It cannot shift beyond that this particular edge. So this is the limiting condition where the normal can shift. Okay, so here you need to understand, if normal has to shift beyond this edge to balance the couple formed by the applied force and the friction force, then definitely toppling will happen. So limiting condition will tell if the normal shifted till this point, there will not be any toppling case, there will not be any tipping case till this point if normal shifted to this edge. If it is shifting from this edge also, beyond this edge also, then the chances of tipping, and then definitely tipping toppling case will happen. Right. So now the question is when the sliding will happen and when the tipping will happen. Okay. Now see here everyone, when I will say sliding, so what is the requirement? The applied force should exceed the maximum static friction. Only then the sliding will happen. And when tipping will happen? When the normal force can no longer resist the couple exerted by applied force and the friction force. Okay, normal force is not able to resist the couple formed because of the applied and the friction force. Then only tipping will occur. That is the important detail that you need to understand. Sliding versus tipping. So the question here again, sir, how to decide which will occur first? Okay, how to decide? So what we need to do, we need to calculate the force required to slide a body and calculate a force required to tip the body or toppling case. Force required for the toppling case and force required for the sliding case. Both the values I will calculate and then compare. Whichever has the less value, that particular case will occur first. I hope this point is clear. So you need to understand what we need to do. We need to determine the force required to make the body slide and force required to make the body tip over. Right. Now next question, sir, how to calculate those forces? Okay, let us discuss here. For sliding, this was the free body diagram. So the applied force should be equals to maximum static friction force. Then only it will be on the condition of sliding or on the verge of sliding, right? Now, if I talk about tipping case, in that case, in the limiting case, basically the normal will be at the edge. Till this point, body will be on the verge of tipping. Still, it is not tipping. It will be on the verge of tipping. And I want to calculate the minimum value of force for which tipping will occur. That means I am talking about a case when the body is on the verge of tipping or on the verge of toppling, right? So directly what I will do, take a moment about this point. There will be a moment of F, applied force, moment of normal force. So I will be taking moment about this point only. So F multiplied by H and this weight multiplied by this B by 2 distance. From that we will get the force. We will compare this force value, we will compare this force value. Whichever has the less magnitude, that particular case will occur first. I hope you got the detailed information how to decide whether tipping will occur or the sliding will occur first. Okay. Now, next question is, sir, what are the parameters on which sliding and tipping depends? Right. The first parameter here is the height of the applied force. Right. Second parameter, the width of the base of the body. And the third one is the roughness of the surface. On these three parameters, sliding and tipping will depend. I hope you got an idea how to decide sliding or tipping, which will occur first. Right. I hope you will find this video useful, and if there is any doubt, you can comment in the video. We will try to resolve it as soon as possible. Thank you so much, guys. Before ending this particular session, guys, I want you to tell about this Telegram group. In this Telegram group, you will be getting all the lecture PDFs of our YouTube sessions, latest job notifications you will be getting, and daily quizzes that will help you in your preparation of the GATE examination. So link is provided in the description box. You can directly click on that link and you can join that Telegram group. Right. Next, we have already started our live online program for GATE 2025. And in our live online program, you will get more than 800 hours of sessions. And you will be getting one-to-one mentorship sessions, which is what required in the GATE preparation. So you will be always in contact with the mentor. And in whatever phase you are facing any challenge at any point of time, you will directly connect with your mentor and discuss, right? So 12 mentorship sessions. Apart from that, you will be getting GATE question booklet, theory book, exercise book, so that you don't need to depend on any other source material, right? And online test series. And the biggest advantage is the doubt solving portal. You just need to click a photo of a question and directly post it, and you will get the solution as soon as possible, right? So if you want to join this IMS GATE Academy live online GATE on program, you can directly call on these numbers, okay, to book a free counseling session. And our counseling team will help you in enrolling in this particular batch. Thank you so much, guys.